Hmm. Okay guys, so I might be on Roblox Kids, but I do not know why guys. But it's one of my new favorite games guys, because I indeed have modified my car. But I always have to check this thing will not face to me for this guys. Also because I do not know how to spawn a killer. While my little brother is playing Mobile Legends. This is my favorite car. Okay guys, so this is my car. But now it's time for us to go to the modification place. Oh it guys, the modification stage. Hey guys, this is my car. Look now. There's a modified car built for the speed. But I'm gonna go test drive it guys. Okay guys. I'm gonna go test drive it. This is fun, right? But you also have to change the colors a bit. But like I said, I just added these random things like a toolbox. To that. So it has some good lights. That's all. See guys. It's fun using this car that I modified guys. But if there were disasters in this game, it would be much better to use it.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
My car is good for modification recipe.
All troops deployed.
You guys, I would really like you guys to play this game and go find the modification. Wait, what is that? Snow or sugar or coke? You don't know what the hell is that, guys. Okay, let's continue. This is my vehicle showcase. I will call this guys the dog cager. Just I'm still in my head. But does it look cool guys or not? I think it looks super cool guys. But the place where you should actually go, if you see that green thing over there guys, go to it. And then it will lead you to a modification place. So we get to keep heading there. Those are the other unmodified cars, guys. This is where you should go, guys, to get your modi. See, it's called Emplacement Store. This is what did I modify my car, guys. The thing is, I'm gonna go showcase my car to some other people. Right, guys? Right? So, guys, what the hell is that? There's somebody that's carrying us using a little ATV. There's that guy using a Ford. There's a train. Oh my god, guys, what the hell is this? What the hell is this, guys? How did somebody was able to make this? My car just has the normal modifications that somebody will have. Well, look at this, guys. Let's continue driving because my little brother's tablet is so loud, literally. Yes, we're heading to the campsite. We are heading to the campsite. But guys, the thing I said about handling with is actually true. Roblox thought I was 8 to 5 years old somehow. Because they were using literal AI. This is my fatal update. That update absolutely sucks.
Believe it or not, you're on my good side.
Okay guys, let's go to see that in this mod. I guess it actually works. So Because it's heavy duty and good capacity, you will not get it. This is extremely good. But now it's wet, so I have to go to water in this nearby lake. Hey guys, my car is washed. So we're heading back to the surface now, guys. My car is now new. It's freshly clean. Hey. Did you see that this gossip is cool, right? I realize it's my time to go now. See you next time, guys.